The sub-base attaches to the router's base. It provides a smooth surface to guide the router on. The most common issue with the sub-base is accidental damage, caused by dropping the router. It can also be cracked if the mounting screws are over-tightened. Replacing the sub-base is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old sub-base from the laminate trimmer. The sub-base is secured with 4 screws. And now I can install the new base. I'll line the screw holes and then install the screws. I'll be careful to not over-tighten the screws so I don't crack the base. And that's how you can install a square sub-base on your laminate trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.